Hello, John Williams. Welcome to my shop again. Thought maybe you'd like to take a peek at some of the new work I've got going for Mayfair by the lake. I'm going to be in Lakeland on Mother's Day weekend. And we've got some last pieces I was trying to get done. I've done up here. And I obviously finished coating them with the epoxy that I've used. Process. This is the third and last of the first coat. It's a 3-day, 5-coat process. Getting all the epoxy on and cut it out. So I get the going for a mirror finish. And got all kinds of woods here. The piece I'm working on here is copper pod right here. One is a piece of, I forgot.
Is it ambrosia maple?
No, it's just maple. Yes, thank you. It's maple. These other bright yellow ones are grapefruit, which were harvested out of my son's yard. And that is a piece of magnolia, just a scrap that was left over. And then over here, on this side, got that's a piece of camphor.
The big one?
The big one is camphor, and the two sinks. These are sinks. Those are camphor.
I love the natural edge.
Well, I do too. I hope other people do. Camphor. And then this is another piece of copper pod, the base. So you'll see them on our display in Mother's Day weekend in Lakeland.
All right, love them.